inevitable return to butter. However, the long run, you want to build.
By being a multiple business owner, I find myself working a lot of hours, man. You don't get no sleep, you don't get no rest, and be successful.
About the new currencies, and in order to be successful in any type of business, if you're a day, you know, when you look for a meal, now their whole concentration is how am I going to eat for this day, and it's not.
Don't jump in the ocean full of sharks, man. You know, but you know, other businesses, and we need a little bit of everybody. We just don't need people making T-shirts. We need people coming up with easy on a human being life span, and you know, so we won't have to work as hard. We want you to be smart. We want you to learn as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? Learn is